inviting you to explore different types of cuisine with me. I'm going to cook them for the first time, not professionally, not as an expert, but just as an average person like you. I'm going to do some mistakes, of course, for sure, but it's going to be an interesting journey. Welcome, welcome. Okay, today we are going to cook beef stroganoff. This is a just very easy and simple beef dish, which just few ingredients, which you can see. I'll explain later. So now I'm using Ninja Foodi, multiple functions in one. I'm going to use saute, frying, and I'm going to use pressure cooking today. Right now I'm preparing it and it's warming up. It's better to keep it for maybe like about few minutes, 5 minutes, and because we want to fry beef first. I don't have perfect stripes today, just these regular cubes, but this is fine. So I have vegetable oil here. My Ninja is ready, it's very hot. It's high temperature, as you can see. So we will try to put our beef a little bit in portions so that you also don't want to have it cold. It should be a little bit warmed up because how Ninja is being heated, there is only one element at the center. You don't want Ninja to cool down immediately, otherwise your beef won't be frying, it will be cooking. So then you need it to be equally spreaded on the surface, and ideally it should be giving you juices right away. It should be it should have some nice brown color on different sides. You can also add onions, which we prepared, and fry it together. We'll see how it's gonna look like. We'll keep frying still on the high. I have beef broth, so that I don't need to put a lot of salt, but still I like it a little bit salty. And then I have black pepper. I have bay leaf and peppercorn. And because we are going to use pressure cooking, we need to add some liquid. In my case, this is beef broth. About 150 milliliters, 100 milliliters should be good. Okay, now we're just waiting, and you don't need to do anything, and while it's cooking by itself, you can prepare side dish or salad. What is good with beef stroganoff is mashed potato and maybe some grains. We eat buckwheat, but it's not for everyone. Maybe I'll show later how to cook it. Also, you can eat pasta, just regular pasta with beef stroganoff is also very good. Okay, it's done. So now, if you don't want to open it immediately, because there will be a lot of, be careful not to burn yourself. You can just wait because it will be warming. You can also turn it off if you want and let it go naturally, the steam. In about 5 minutes or so, let's wait 5 minutes so that we don't have a lot of steam here. Okay, 5 minutes passed. We need to let all the steam off. Be careful not to burn yourself. Okay, so So only now it will let us open the lid. Okay, it's a little bit tomatoey. So I know that the recipe also assumes that you add some cream or sour cream or just regular cream. Perfect. So let's just mix it for now. You know, we can keep it on low saute, or we can, it's golden, perfect golden color. I like it already. Okay, it's just perfect. I like it on top. Okay, let's try it. It's very soft. Just look how soft it is. It's just falling to pieces.